So we're back again with the beautiful CVO Softail Convertible. And on our last video, we mentioned that we can strip this thing down in like a matter of minutes. So I figured we would actually make a video showing you how quick we can disassemble this Softail Convertible. Alright, let's do this.
All it is the front bearing.
Listen to that turbo diesel.
Front bearing, 2 bolts. You don't pull them all the way out. You only pull them out to where it's loose. On either side. And there's another thing I did.
What'd you do?
USB charger.
Dude, that's a must.
And then this just slides forward. It's pretty much a quick detach. I'm gonna pull it out there. And then all there is a little
Damn.
wire clip up here. Front fairing comes right off.
Damn.
And both bags. And get shot right in there. Literally just twist tabs. You just twist off. Each of them. They come right out. Washer. And the bag comes right off.
Jeez. Thought it was gonna be a little harder than that.
Nope. Same thing with the other one. Lifts it off. No!
Oh no. Rescue mission. There we go.
And then, what I like to say is the coolest part about the convertibles. So obviously, not everyone has these. So that comes right off. But all the convertibles have a separated seat. So without having to pull the whole seat off, you can immediately make it a solo riding seat. By just taking it off.
Damn. So in under 5 minutes, you could transform this light touring beast into your weekend warrior. Who needs a backpack? It's just a single seat. Leave those drunken cougars at the bar. You don't need them with this thing.
And if you want them, keep this thing on and you can pick up a drunken cougar if you want to.
Hell yeah. Alright, well, that's as quick as it takes, so this is as long as the video is gonna be. Thanks for watching.